m cube minus n cube equal to 19. What is the value of m and n? M and n positive integer. First we find out the multiple factor of 19. 1 into 19. So 19 has only one multiple factors. Now let's go to the solution. The formula is m equal to 1 by 2 f1 plus or minus root of 3 into f1 whole square plus 12 into f2 by 6 and n equal to m minus f1. This is the formula. Here f1 equal to 1 and f2 equal to 19 minus f1 squared equal to 19 minus 1 squared equal to 19 minus 1, 18. This is f2, this is f1. Substitute the value. M equal to 1 by 2 f1 1 plus or minus root of 3 into 1 whole square plus 12 into f2 18 by 6. Now 1 by 2 plus or minus root of 3 into 1 3 square plus 12 into 18 216 by 6. 1 by 2 plus or minus root of 3 square 9 plus 216 by 6. One by 2 plus or minus root of 225 by 6 equal to 1 by 2 plus or minus 15 by 6. M equal to 1 by 2 plus 15 by 6 and 1 by 2 minus 15 by 6. So take LCM 6 into 3. 3 plus 15. 6, 3, 3. 3 minus 15. 18 by 6 minus 12 by 6 equal to 3, minus 2. This is value of m and n equal to m minus f1. m3 equal to 3 minus f1 1 equal to 2 and minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3. N equal to. Now verify the value. M equal to 3 minus 2 and n equal to 2 minus 3. M cube minus n cube equal to 19. 3 cube minus 2 cube equal to 19. 3 cube 27 minus 8 equal to 19. and another one is m cube minus n cube equal to 19. Minus 2 cube minus 3 cube equal to 19. Minus 2 cube minus 8 minus 27. Minus 8 minus into minus plus 27. So 19 equal to 19. So m equal to 3 and n equal to 2, or m equal to minus 2, n equal to minus 3. Thank you for watching.